Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. And today we are looking at something that we have never looked at on this channel before, from KitGG7.com. That is the Arsenal shirt with WSL lettering and numbering on it. So obviously, being the first one that I brought, I've actually gone for Alessia Russo. But yeah, I was searching their site and I saw that it was available for the Arsenal kit. Not available for any of the others at the moment, but it's a massive step forward to be able to see WSL names and numbering on these type of shirts. So yeah, as soon as I saw it was available, I had to go and get it. And I've not looked at this Arsenal shirt yet at all, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity for me to go and buy it with, say, the WSL print on it. I think it's also got the name, the sleeve patch on it as well, but we'll take a full look when we get it out of the bag. As I mentioned, this is from KitGG7.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as you can see, this Arsenal shirt comes in an Adidas bag. On the flip side, it does have our usual health warnings. Again, the WSL numbering. I'm really excited to see this one because, like I said, I've not ever had a WSL shirt. I did have the Blackburn official championship shirt, which Lucy Shepherd wore, but this is the first remake that I've looked at. So the seller, KitGG7, all details in the description of the video. We'll get this bag open now and let's have a look at this Alessia Russo shirt. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and we've just got the standard V-neck collar line, and I do like how they've kept the red and the green Adidas stripes, which then go into the collar as well. Obviously then you've got the green on the Adidas here and the red Arsenal cannon. Both of them have been embroidered in. This is the fan spec shirt. We have the WSL patch on there. That's been heat pressed on. And that is like a vinyl. I'm not sure if the official one's a vinyl or not, to be honest with you. If anybody does know, let me know in the comments. I think my Lucy Shepherd shirt was a lot thicker material than that. The Emirates has been vinyled on, and that's got like a really nice rubbery texture to it. I'm loving this pattern on the shirt. Aero already at the bottom, and that's the same feel as the Emirates Fly Better. And on this sleeve we have the Visit Rwanda, which again is this like rubbery sort of texture, but it feels really nice. I'm interested to see when we flip it around on the inside what these are like, because they're quite big on the shirt, so it'll be interesting if there's a lot of messy stitching on the inside or not. But there's the outside of the shirt. We'll turn it around and we'll look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse side of the shirt. Collar line continues around with the red and green, and then we go down to the name of Russo. This is vinyled on. It's got a nice glossy sort of texture to it. And then the number 23 with the WSL numbering. So it's all WSL on this shirt. And that's again like a vinyl-y sort of texture. But that feels absolutely amazing, to be honest. It's really, really smooth. No bobbles or anything. Looking under the arms on that side, stitching looks perfect. Stitching looks good on that side as well. And I have just noticed at the bottom, you've got this like mesh. So that's obviously for ventilation when you're wearing the shirt. And it wasn't on the front though, so it hits the side look and then more so on the back. So we'll flip it around now and we'll look at the inside of the shirt as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. And we start off at the top here where we've got an 0324 product code with a QR code. So they put these tags in the shirts to make them look a little bit more official. And then you've got the Adidas jersey Arsenal tag there as well. So none of this information up here will take you to the legitimate product, but it's a good way to be able to tell if you're buying an authentic shirt or if you're buying one of these sort of shirts. On this sleeve, we've got the Visit Rwanda and no creases whatsoever. The Arsenal crest, that's actually gone on really well. A little bit of card there. What I would do is I'd just put some lukewarm water on that and that will soon get it off. And the Adidas isn't too bad either. Our WSL patch is just there, slight crease there, but that's not in the material. I think that's just where it's been in the bag, in all honesty. Feeling the other side as well. We've got our sponsor here, which, as I said at the front, is gone lovely. Cannot feel that one little bit. At the bottom here we have our washing instructions. The recommendation for these sort of shirts is to put it on a hand wash setting, and then when you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. See where you've got a lot of these prints on there, so you've got the Emirates there, the Rwanda, the patch and the name on the back. They're the sort of items that you want to make sure last. So by putting on a hand wash setting inside out as well and letting it hang dry, your shirt will last a very good amount of time. I've got some shirts still that from when I started this channel which are still looking as good today as the day I got them. So if you look after them, they will last you a good amount of time. And then on the final side, we have our Adidas M Slim Fit. So I've got a medium on this one, and that's more so because it being like a female sort of shirt, I don't know how it would look if it was a large, like XL or something with WSL stuff on it. So here's our name set, which has gone lovely. And now number 2 and our number 3. Again, some creases in there, but that's just from the bag. The names and numbers have all gone on really, really well. So no concerns there. And here you can see now the separate bit of material that makes up that mesh for the air ventilation on the back, which, to be fair, has gone on nicely as well. A lovely, lovely looking shirt, this one. Definitely one of my favourite Arsenal shirts. And there we have it, our first Barclays Women's Super League football shirt review. Alessia Russo in the Arsenal kit. It's nice that finally on KitGG7.com that they have got the WSL patch and the fonts and the numbers to be able to select. As I said at the start of this video, I could only find it on the Arsenal ones, and I hadn't had this shirt before, so I thought it's a good one to get. It wasn't on the Manchester United or Man City just yet, but I assume as we move forward, we're going to start seeing a lot more of these WSL prints coming forward, which is absolutely fantastic, a massive step forward. So yeah, I wanted to get this video out as soon as the item arrived, because I think it's just fantastic that you're able to now get these, and I know people will definitely be interested. So the seller was KitGG7.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I will leave a dhgate link just to my usual seller for an Arsenal product. I doubt that you'll be able to get the WSL stuff on their site, but worth checking nonetheless. But yeah, all details for KitGG7 will be in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I do hope you've enjoyed this one. Yeah, I really have. Lovely shirt, and as I said, nice to see some of the women's football getting bigger in the UK and being able to buy some of these shirts with the print on there. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.